Welcome back to TTTE Engines. Today I'm going to show you how to change the faces on the TRS engines in Train Simulator 2019. So you need to click Edit Trains, which is up here, which I've already clicked. And then you need to go on the question mark, Edit Properties, and then click the engine. And then you want to go to Options, and then if you click that, it takes away the face, and then you have to choose one. So, example, tired. So then you go back out of it, and the engine that you're using has got a different expression. If you want more Train Simulator videos, let me know in the comments below. And I would like to thank Hex the Tank Engine 18 for teaching me this technique.